Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Discord app not working. Why do you want to know how to fix Discord app not working? Well, maybe you're facing this issue and you're not able to use the Discord. So today I will show you how to fix Discord app not working easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there, okay? Now, the very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store and guys here you have to search Discord. So here we will search Discord, hit the enter and make sure that you are using the updated version of Discord. Let me refresh it once again, and here as you can see I'm getting the option update, so you have to update the app right now and make sure if it is working perfectly fine then it's great, but if it doesn't you have to just go to the setting of your phone, scroll a little bit down, go to the app section. Here on the app management you have to wait for a few seconds, and basically in your phone it can be somewhere else. Here you have to find Discord. Just click on that. You have to do the first thing, force stop. I'm not going to do in my case. Here click on the storage usage, clear cache, and after clearing cache reopen the app. But if it's working perfectly fine then it's great, but if it doesn't, clear the data. Okay, and after clearing the data this will delete all the unneeded data or unnecessary data from the Discord mobile application and the app will work perfectly fine. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix Discord app not working, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to fix Discord app not working, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.